All right, today we're going to be threading our bobbins. Bobbins are the bottom thread that you use when you are sewing. So you're going to take your spool and put it on the outside spool pin. It really doesn't matter which direction your thread is going to be coming, but you're going to start with the end of it, and you're going to come over here and you're going to hook it under this first part, and then we're going to come to the bobbin pretension. We're going to wrap it around. We're following the arrows that are on here. You're just going to go around it one time. Wrap it around, and then we follow it over to where our bobbin is. It has arrows so that we know what direction we're supposed to be going. You're going to give it a little bit of extra and wrap your thread around. Now, Bernina bobbins, they're kind of gritty on the inside part, and so it helps to grip the thread that goes on it. Just spin it around about 5 times or so. If there's a little thread hanging off, that's okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna push this hammer over, and it's gonna start winding it on its own. Now, it's really important to keep that bobbin pretension, the thread wrapped around it. That's gonna keep everything on here nice and tight. If you're going directly from your spool to your bobbin, it's gonna be all loose and loopy, and you're gonna have a lot of issues. You can allow it to thread the whole thing by itself. You can do halfway and stop it. It will stop on its own. This little hammer part is kind of sensitive to how big the bobbin is, and as it fills, it's going to move over a little bit more. You can see it's starting to slow down. Sometimes if they're too full, it's a little bit difficult to put it into your bobbin case, but when it does get full enough, it'll stop on its own. There we go. Now, to cut it, you would think you use scissors, but on the little hammer here, there is a blade underneath, so you can just pop that off and just pull your thread underneath, and it cuts it. Your bobbin is ready to sew.